Hey guys, it's Girly Tech Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube and be successful. However, if you aren't looking to make money and you just want a successful YouTube account, this video is also for you. So a couple things before we get started. I just want to say, I myself didn't think I could make money, but I did. So don't doubt yourself. You need a little determination. You also need to be patient because it doesn't happen overnight. It took a couple months for my video to take off. And lastly, you want to figure out what you want your videos to be before you start your channel. I do YouTube tutorials because many people use YouTube to figure out how to do things, but you can also do videos like entertainment and informational. So let's get right into it. You want a unique and fun name for your channel. Mine's Girly Tech Studios, but you can come up with whatever you like. If you can't think of anything, there's random name generators in Google, and those are pretty interesting too. You also want appealing channel art, a cool profile picture, and appealing thumbnails because more people will be interested in checking out what your channel is about and clicking on your videos. You also want catchy and cool intros and outros. I personally made mine, but if you don't know how, I'm providing a link in the description of an awesome website where you can literally just put in your account name and it makes an amazing intro and outro for you. Super easy, simple, and it makes your YouTube channel so much better. I would also suggest you have good quality editing. I use iMovie and Keynote templates, which I will also provide as links in the description for you to use. I also use screen recording. I use Ice Cream Screen Recorder, which did cost money, but it was a good investment in the long run since I did make money off my YouTube channel. But there's also things like Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free version. It does have limited time, but it's great for starting off your channel. You also want to make videos that many people are likely to look up and use multiple hashtags on your video. You want to try and make your videos as appealing as you can to many people. You also want to make sure you have ways for people to contact you. I do that through my email, the comment section, and sometimes Discord, but there's also many other things you can use. So a couple things you need before you can start making money. You need 10,000 views and 1,000 subscribers, which is a pretty easy goal once you have good quality and content videos. So what you need to do after you achieve that goal is sign up through Google AdSense and you can start making money. I will provide a link in the description of someone else's video that helped me sign up for Google AdSense, and I suggest you watch after you achieve your goal. So basically, that's it. That's what I did to make a successful channel like mine. All these links that I've been talking about in the video will be in the description: the intros, outros, Keynote template, screen recording, and Google AdSense tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at girlytechstudios@gmail.com. I try my best to respond to everybody that I can. Also, comment below if this video helped, and please comment links to your new channels because I'd love to see them and see how this video helped. Please also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.